Hi friends, Tracy.bish here, Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Central Victoria, Australia. Welcome to the card 3 of the Sparkling Celebrations May Paper Pumpkin kit. This is so fun. It's very interactive. It is like a looking through a window, which is so fun. I'm also using this idea for my Tracy Sunday challenge this week. So yeah, come and join in. Super fun. So this is a really great interactive card. It looks a lot harder than it is, which is also really good. So we're just going to quickly take that card base and we're going to stamp the bushes in the card front, and we're also stamping the sentiment, which is wishing you happiness. Now the stamp set in this set is really a good one. It's got wishing you happiness, you are invited, and time to celebrate. There's also a tree stamp, sparkles, and a fireworks stamp, so you can keep using this stamp set way after you've finished using this set, which is so fun. Now I have 2 other videos with the 2 other cards. In this set there are 3 designs and you make 3 each of the cards, but I do have some great alternatives coming up in the next couple of days, so keep an eye out for that. What I'm tending to do is do an unboxing video, create the 3 projects, or the projects in the kit, one each of each project, and then I'm going to do some alternatives with that kit. So you're going to get lots and lots of ideas on how to use that kit. So I really hope you're excited for Paper Pumpkin. I have been wanting Paper Pumpkin in Australia since the very beginning, 10 years ago when they brought it out to the US and Canada, and I'm super excited because it's so much fun. It's a bit of anticipation because you don't know what's in the kit all up. Stampin' Up! Gives us a few sneak peeks and we sort of can see a little bit of what's going to be in the kit, but you don't know fully what's in there. So it's super fun to get it in the mail, have a look, and then I'm super excited just to be creating some alternatives with the projects each month. So I hope you'll come back and, you know, enjoy the projects as we're creating them, because yeah, I'm just super excited, as you can tell. So how gorgeous is this card? It is amazing. We have the window scene, and then we've got some of those paper lanterns that are floating in the night sky. The colors in this are really, really pretty. Probably not a kit that I would have purchased if I'd seen it as a kit collection, but I am so glad that I have it because I've got some great alternatives for this kit. So you are going to love this kit, I promise. Alright, we'll be back with some alternative videos really soon. Hope you can come back for that. Have a nice day. Bye.